Question number 6. Prove that the four triangles formed by joining the pairs of midpoints of three sides of a triangle are congruent to each other. Midpoint of all sides are joined. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now to prove triangle DEF is congruent to triangle FBD is congruent to triangle CDE. Triangle CDE is congruent to triangle AFE. Okay. Now we have to prove. See, proof. Solution. Proof or solution. In triangle ABC, F and E are mid points of AB and AC respectively, then FE is equal to half of BC. Dear student, I told you D this is equal to F. D and E are the midpoints of AB, BC and CA respectively. This equal to this equal to this. Okay. So FE half of BC means BD. Okay. And FE is parallel to BC. FE parallel to BC, then FE is parallel to BD also. So FE is parallel to BD, FE is parallel to FE is equal to BD and FE is parallel to BD. So this is equal to this. Quadrilateral FEDB is a parallelogram. If it is parallelogram, since in parallelogram diagonal bisect parallelogram, okay, diagonal bisect parallelogram, it means this triangle is equal to this triangle. Okay. So since in parallelogram diagonal divide since in parallelogram diagonal divide it in two equal part. So triangle DEF is congruent to triangle BFD. Similarly, triangle DEF. Like this we will do here. Okay, so we will write similarly DEF congruent to triangle CDE. Similarly, triangle DEF is congruent to triangle AFE. So this is proved from first, second and third, from first, second and third. It is proved that triangle DEF is congruent to triangle BFD is congruent to triangle CDE is congruent to triangle AFE. Proved now. Okay, dear students.